We made it to Hobby Lobby. Let's go see what they have. Look how pretty this picture is. $89. I'm already liking what I'm seeing, and I haven't even gone through the front door. How pretty. Look at that Santa Claus over there. Let's see. So you can hear the music. I don't know if that's copyright, but look how pretty. 50% off. This is pretty. Not really sure where things are. And I can already see the people looking at me with the camera. But I think I'm heading in the right direction. Let's see. So they already have the shirts and they've got caps. They got the machines, but where's the actual, iron on? These are all stickers. They've got like blue and stuff. Sticker. This is pretty. But I don't think this is iron on. It's a sticker patch. There's no J's in the gold. I mean, this is pretty. I'm gonna put it here. Look at these. Over there. Like this. I don't know if this is on sale, but these are the prices. $3.49. Positive vibes. Mama. Howdy. Let me find somebody. So she said street. They got a lot of Christmas stuff, a lot of pretty stuff. But yeah. These are cute. I think I need one of these. Alright, so these, I guess, are iron on. think I'm gonna get this instead of this. Put you down here. And then there's this one. I would like spicy. I think I like this one. Let's try this one. I like this. Alright. These one I'm going to keep in this because these I can glue with this. Look at this one, the first one. They got like a mixture of stuff. But I want specifics. I want this one. I saw this on the blazer. And I like this. This or this. I think this one I like better. Oh, it's a 2-pack. What's this? 2 for $5. And this is $7.99. 2 sheets, different flowers. Let me hold on to it. Look at this one. I feel like I'm getting a lot, but I need it. I need it. They got pins and stuff, which I think is cute for like the hats. You hear the music? It is what it is. Girl again. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything is fine. Look, I say that to you guys when when you hear me wheezing. Next tape. That's cute. I feel like I'm getting overwhelmed. This is cute. I like this. I like this, but maybe I should get 3. Look, they got bows and little bears. Barbie. I don't know. I don't see anything else. I like this one that says blessed. It looks kind of like leather. And I like this one that says bruh. This one that says pretty. I think I got a lot. I think I have to like I think I have to decide. I like this. I wonder if I can fit this on the rim of a hat. I don't know. I think we're gonna. This is cute. Like bougie. All right, so I have to make a decision. I need to find a corner and pick a few. Okay, so I'm in this section at 50% off, and I love this black decor, but I'm getting overwhelmed in this place, so I'm not gonna film too much more. I'm gonna show you what I'm getting in a haul, but I like this store. So this is my first time here. I'm already overwhelmed, so I'm gonna come back a little more clear-minded of what I want. I know I wanted that for the stuff that I'm trying to do, but yeah, we're gonna talk when we get home. I like this for in the tree, like to put in the tree. Look at those red ones. Yeah. You're gonna try your best. Not the other people. That's what you said. You would try your best.